today, and I really wanted to try out this Fenty Skin face mask. I've really been wanting to try it. I think the packaging is really cute. The only thing I wish is that I wish it had a cookies and cream scent. And I actually think I said it wrong. It's cookies and clean. But you know what? I still call it cookies and cream. But yeah, it's like a face detox face mask. So I've been looking at different face masks on Sephora. And this one looked interesting. But yeah, it's super disappointing though how it doesn't smell like cookies and cream. When I first looked at it, I thought it would have like a harder consistency, but it's actually really soft. You can apply this with damp skin or dry skin. I'm just putting this on my dry skin. Yep. No scent whatsoever. I do like the whole concept though of like cookies and cream, and it's kind of fun having that concept as a face mask. I've been having a lot of redness. I have a little blemish right there, not so little, but that's been there for quite some time. That's been there for a few days, and it just seems to be chilling there. But yeah, the consistency of this is very soft, very easy to apply and blend out. But yeah, I am going to basically just finish putting this on my face, and then I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off. So guys, I just removed the face mask and it was really easy to remove. I feel like my skin feels really refreshed and soft and renewed. It doesn't feel like everything has been stripped from my face, and yeah, I don't know. My face doesn't feel dry or anything like that, so I like it. Wanted to show you guys a little bump date. But anyways, I am gonna start filming my Instagram reel pretty soon, and then I have a couple of YouTube videos to shoot on my camera. But before, I wanted to quickly show you guys some PR products that I recently received. So first, I have some Ana Luisa goodies right here. They are both earrings. So this one is just a simple pair of gold hoop earrings, and they have little hearts dangling with like faux diamantes in the front. See that? Super cute. Love. These are called the Nina Heart earrings. I honestly like rarely change my earrings unless I don't know, unless there's like a special event or I just feel like it's time to change them out. But I've had these in for like a year now, pretty much. And then the second pair of earrings, they're basically the same, just butterflies dangling. But yeah, they have like the little diamantes. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah. Super duper cute. So you guys get the idea of how that looks. These are called the Papillon earrings. But yeah, I will try to have them linked in my description box, and I will leave my 20% discount code right here for you guys in case you want to shop some Ana Luisa goodies. They have rings, they have necklaces, they're just perfect gifts for your loved ones, or just if you want to treat yourself with some affordable jewelry that lasts, then definitely go check it out. There's like a cat hair on me. But I'll also have my discount code in the description box as well. So next I wanted to show you guys a liquid IV package that I received either yesterday or the day before. I think it was yesterday. But yeah, so they gave me this really, really cute backpack. Like, how cute is that? So it came with the hydration multiplier for kids, tropical punch, and banana. And then it came with normal tropical punch, crisp apple. I'm excited to try this one. I don't know if I've had this one yet, but I know there is an apple one that I have tried and I do like it. And then cotton candy and Concord grape. The boys already tried the tropical punch and the cotton candy, so I'm glad that they got to enjoy that. It came with a big tumbler, super cute, and then a kid-sized tumbler, and both tumblers have the little like mouthpiece. That is, I really like this. That is super cool. Came with this really cute pack of colored pencils. And then they gave us like this random pack that you can plant. It's not seeds, but it's like a biodegradable. A little activity book. Some temporary tattoos, and last but not least, some stickers. They're kind of like 3D stickers. So yeah. Oh, I will also have my discount code right here for Liquid IV, as well as in the description box. Hey guys, so I just finished filming my makeup reel and another reel for a brand. But really quick, I just wanted to show you guys some more makeup products that I am going to be decluttering. By the way, I burnt myself with the curling iron. Freaking hurts so bad. If you know, you know. I'm gonna start with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. This is what it looks like. Honestly, I don't even think I've used this once, and I've had it for probably over 3 years. And these are so dusty. Next is the Wet n Wild Kuromi palette. This palette is super cute, and it actually was really good. So if I do see another Wet n Wild palette, I'll definitely pick it up, because I do remember this palette being really bomb and pretty high quality for the price. Next is the Huda Beauty The New Nudes Eye Palette. I've literally had this forever, you guys. If you guys remember my old makeup tutorials, I would literally use this all the time. As you can see, it's very well loved. This was an amazing palette. I really love Huda Beauty, and I love Huda Beauty palettes. But it's time to let it go. And next is the very loved Carly Bible Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This palette is also really well loved, and anytime Carly Bible comes out with a makeup palette, I have to get it because it's so good. I really hope she comes out with another makeup palette. I swear, like, if she came out with her own makeup line, I would love it, because I freaking love her makeup palettes. Like, if you guys remember the Morphe and Carly Bible collab, like, that palette was so bomb. I'm pretty sure it was by Morphe, but let me know if you guys remember that palette. Oh my god, so nostalgic. I miss it. With like all the highlight shades. Ugh, so good. But yeah, it's time to let it go. I love holding on to stuff, but you know, when it's just collecting dust in my cupboard, then it's time to let it go. Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. I did the dishes. I am doing some laundry. I like to do laundry on Sundays so that Bradley has fresh clothes for the week at school. I am just about to meal prep some sweet potatoes right now because that's what I'm craving. My lips are so dry.